Hello! So guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to do the clean girl slick bun. The reason I'm filming this video is because number one, it was a very requested video and thank you so much for your video recommendations. Definitely write me in the comments below some more video ideas because I would love to create each one of them. And number two, this is how I wear my hair at least 80% of the time, and especially during summer because it's too hot outside and I cannot stand having my hair down. And also this hairstyle is super quick and super easy, and also it looks good on everyone, and also it's hitless, so what else do you want? So without further ado, let's get into it. Okay, so for this hairstyle you're gonna need a detangler brush, a boar bristle brush. This specific one is my favorite. I use it pretty much every single day, and this kind of brushes are ideal for creating sleek hair. Next, you're gonna need a hair mask or water. These two options are kind of healthier for your hair if you don't want to use other products such as hairspray or hair gel. Of course, there's nothing wrong if you want to use hairspray, for example. I just prefer these two healthier options because I do the sleek bun quite often, I would say, and I don't want to use like hairspray or hair gel very often. The hair mask that I use is the L'Oreal Pro Longer Professional Mask. This is such a nice hair mask, and also it's quite affordable, I would say. So these are all the things you're gonna need for this sleek bun. So let's start with step number one. So first I'm gonna use this detangler brush and I'm gonna brush my hair out. Next, I'm gonna take this brush and I'm gonna use the end of this brush, and this will help me to do my middle part. My hair is already middle part, but this brush helped me to do it more precise, I would say. As you can see, my hair is a little bit oily, and especially my roots, but this is what we need because when the hair is clean and fresh, it has volume, and we don't need volume for this sleek bun hairstyle. And yeah, the dirtier the hair, the better, I would say. And also that's why we use hair mask or water or other products, so we can keep it down. If your hair is freshly washed, this is the time to use water or any kind of product you might use. So take a little bit of water and just slick your hair down like this. So next I'm gonna use the end of this brush again, and we're gonna split the hair. We're gonna use like a good chunk of hair. So this is how I split my hair. It doesn't have to look perfect. Okay, now with the rest of the hair, we're gonna create a high ponytail, and this is where we need to use this boar bristle brush. We're gonna slick everything back and upwards. The reason that we split the hair like this in the front is because it helps us to keep the middle part. Now we're gonna take the hair mask or whatever you're using. We're gonna use this brush again, and the same we're doing on the other side. We're gonna hold the hair like this, and we're gonna keep brushing it until everything is slicked back. Make sure that you keep the middle part, we don't wanna cover it. Okay, next we're gonna take the ponytail and we're gonna twist it like this, and twist it again on top of our head. And now it's time to use the second hair tie, and we're gonna secure the bun on top of our head. So this is how the slick bun is supposed to look like. I don't know if you can see it properly through the camera. I will take a little bit of water and I will go all over the roots again. As you can see, we have some bits here flying away. I personally really like them because it looks kind of messy and I prefer it like this. But of course, if you don't like it like this, you can use some bobby pins and secure it under your bun. So guys, this is the clean girl slick bun. Super quick and super easy. Honestly, it takes me less than 5 minutes to do this hairstyle, and I'm loving it. So I'm gonna love you and leave you. Please subscribe to my channel and like this video because it helps me a lot. Write me in the comments below what you want to see next. Share this video with your friends, your family, anyone, and I will hopefully see you to my next video.